is the food. It's got a little, what's this, a roll? Roll, mac and cheese, string bean, rib, and, ooh, it's hot too. Yes, yes, yes. We're gonna try this. I got the dinner. I think it came with a drink, but I must have left it. I don't know. Maybe it didn't. I don't know. But good bread, good meat, good Lord, let us eat. Lord bless us to walk up there and get this stuff. $15. You know how many chickens you could buy? Let me stop. Okay. Oh, I got sweet tea with lemon. Oh, this looks so good, y'all. Oh, I hope this is good. I love string beans. So I don't think I need a better. I need something better than that. I can't stand anything. Okay, let me get the real deal. The real deal. Okay, I'm gonna go with string bean first. Cause I love string bean. I think I need to. Seems like I need to tilt my plate. They got a little spice on them. They're good. They good, but they also giving out the can. Okay, string bean good. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong. Let's try this mac and cheese. Oh, it's got a pull. Mac and cheese, and it's smoking. Mmm. 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 Oh, now that's real mac and cheese now. That's baked macaroni and cheese. Oh, yeah. Oh, I ain't had mac and cheese from a restaurant that tastes this good in a long time. Honey, this ain't giving that, you know how you make that roux and, nah, this is giving canned milk in the oven, cut up your cheese, put you some egg in there like how we grew up making it. Oh, yeah. Mmm. Ooh. Mmm. Yum, yum, give me some. Ooh.